developments, Union Minister Prahlad Joshi has also spoken on Ambedkar Rao, stating that there was enough space for Rahul Gandhi, but he pushed Sambit Patra as well. He added that it was uncalled for because there was enough space for him. He also added that everyone knew and they will get to know what happened once the CCTV footage will be checked. Let's now listen into this big statement.
हम जब हाउस में है हमारा विचार हम रखते हैं, व्यू पॉइंट्स वो अपना व्यू पॉइंट्स रखते, लेकिन ये गुंडागर्दी 100% राहुल गांधी को जगह छोड़ रहा था, फिर भी उन्होंने धक्का मार के ऐसे एक व्यक्ति को, हमारा संदीप पात्रा को ऐसे मार के वो अंदर गए. इट वाज अनकॉल्ड बिकॉज जगह था उधर. नहीं धक्का वो देखो, अभी आपको जब मिलेगा सीसीटीवी फुटेज वगैरह जब मिलेगा आपको सब पता चलेगा.
All right, senior journalist Himanshu Bhatt also joins me again on the broadcast. Sir, now BJP is in fact planning to file a police complaint on Rahul Gandhi for his actions in the House of the Parliament. Now, in fact, what has been decided so far is that the Bharatiya Janata Party is going to get a FIR registered against Rahul Gandhi for these actions. In fact, joins me live on the broadcast. Mahima, what is the latest update that we are fetching on, in fact, BJP now announcing to file a police complaint against Rahul Gandhi?
Simran, as you know, a scuffle occurred outside the parliament amid the BJP India bloc protest over the Ambedkar Rao, where the BJP MP Pratap Chandra Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput were injured, wherein they alleged that Rahul Gandhi pushed one of the MPs purposely, and of which both the MPs got hurt. Now, what is the latest that we people are bringing up is that BJP has now pulled up the game, wherein BJP will file an FIR against Rahul Gandhi of the assault that has happened outside the parliament today. And as we all know, that Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju also stated that Makadwar is the main entry gate of the members of the parliament to both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The Congress and their other MPs kept on standing in that particular location, and that they have been showing placards and sloganeering for the entire session. Today, for the first time, the NDA MPs went there to protest against the insult of the Ambedkar by the Congress party since 1951. For the first time, there to protest, while the NDA MPs were protesting at the Makadwar, the main gate. The Congress MPs led by Rahul Gandhi came and assaulted, pushed two MPs of the BJP and pushed around the MPs. Also, two of the BJP's MPs, Pratap Singh Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput, have sustained grievous injuries, is what Kiran Rijiju stated. And now the BJP will file an FIR against Rahul Gandhi.
All right, in fact, Mahima, as we have also heard the statements from Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju and Prahlad Joshi saying that the attempt that was made by Rahul Gandhi was deliberate, in fact. What are the other senior BJP leaders who were present at the time, in fact, are saying on this very behavior by the Congress MP and the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha?
Well, Simran, it is not only the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju, but also we have Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who stated that this is a black day in the parliamentary history. Decorum has been torn apart, democracy has been shred, and sullied. There is no other example like that of hooliganism of Rahul Gandhi and Congress party. Such conduct was never seen in the parliamentary history of India. Why are they releasing their frustration in the parliament? If they lost Haryana and Maharashtra, workshops should be called to train Rahul Gandhi and Congress people to understand the conduct in the democracy, is what Shivraj Singh Chauhan stated. Also, what Basudeb Swaraj stated, because it is very important to understand that what exactly Basudeb Swaraj stated, because she will go along with the other MP, that is one of the TDP MP, to file an FIR against Rahul Gandhi, wherein Basudeb Swaraj stated that Congress murdered democracy in our country. Now they are hypocritically positioning themselves as the protectors of the Constitution by abolishing Article 370 and establishing Panch Tirath. Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave cognizance to Ambedkar's last mile delivery policy. Congress party has been using the name of Baba Saheb Ambedkar for their political selfishness. They should apologize to the country. Also, Anurag Thakur stated that Nehru Gandhi family always disrespected Ambedkar. Nehru himself conspired against Ambedkar ji to make him lose elections and force him to quit politics. 3 generations of Congress did not give Baba Saheb Ambedkar Bharat Ratna. The Gandhi family that used to torture and ignore him today, when they have been exposed in front of the country in the parliamentary session, are compelled to go out with Baba Saheb's photo, is what Anurag Thakur stated. Also, it is important to understand that the entire scenario of the row on B.R. Ambedkar, how it started, a massive political row has erupted over the Union Home Minister Amit Shah's remark on B.R. Ambedkar during the address in Rajya Sabha 2 days ago. And since then, it has been a political slugfest between the Congress Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party. Simran.
All right, Mahima. Thank you for in fact adding these statements. Meanwhile, my colleague has also spoken to Union Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal. Let's now listen in.
केंद्रीय संसदीय कार्य मंत्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल जी हमारे साथ मौजूद है। मेघवाल साहब, ऐसा दृश्य संसद में पहले कभी नहीं हुआ। पहले भी प्रदर्शन होते रहे, लेकिन ऐसी हिंसक घटनाएं पहले कभी नहीं हुई।
देखिए, मकर द्वार पे कांग्रेस और उनके साथी दल जब से सत्र चला तब से ये प्रदर्शन करते हैं। आज पहली बार बीजेपी और उनके जो एनडीए के सहयोगी दल है उनके सांसद भी आए। उन्होंने कहा भैया आपने अमित शाह जी का जो राज्यसभा में बयान दिया, जो भाषण था उनका, उसका 12 सेकंड को वीडियो दिखा करके आप भ्रमित क्यों करना चाहते हो देश को? कांग्रेस ने अपमान किया ना बाबा साहब का, और खाली आप 12 सेकंड का वीडियो चला करके क्या कहना चाहते हो? उसके लिए एक शर्म करो। इन नारों के साथ बीजेपी और एनडीए के जो हमारे सांसद हैं वो एक विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे। ये शारीरिक ताकत दिखाते हुए आए और उन्होंने 4-5 सांसदों को, शायद 2-4 सांसद तो गिरे हैं, वो वापस उठ गए, लेकिन 2 सांसदों को तो गहरी चोट लगी है। प्रताप चंद सारंगी जोड़ीसा से आते हैं, उनको चोट लगी है, आरएमएल अस्पताल में भर्ती है। मुकेश राजपूत जो यूपी से आते हैं उनको भी चोट लगी है, और 1-2 महिला सांसद भी कह रहे हैं, अभी पूरी रिपोर्ट आने दो, वो भी कह रहे हैं कि हमारे साथ भी धक्का मुक्की हुई है।
सर, ये जो जिस तरह से चोट लगी लोगों सांसदों को, क्या इस पर कार्रवाई भी हो सकती है राहुल गांधी जी?
वो हम अस्पताल की रिपोर्ट आने के बाद देखेंगे। कार्रवाई तो कोई न कोई होगी, क्योंकि इस तरह का शारीरिक प्रदर्शन करने का ये स्थान थोड़ी है।
राहुल गांधी कह रहे थे कि मुझे स्थान नहीं दिया गया, जगह नहीं दी जाने।
नहीं, वो तो कर ही रहे थे, वो बाबा साहब की मूर्ति तक गए, वापिस आते समय इन्होंने ये सब नाटक किया जी, जानबूझ के किया है।
लेकिन ये दूसरा रास्ता भी तो ले सकते हैं, इन्होंने वही रास्ता क्यों लिया?
तभी तो कह रहा हूँ जानबूझ के किया है।
ये तो केंद्रीय मंत्री अर्जुन मेघवाल, जिनका कहना है कि जानबूझ करके धक्का मुक्की की थी राहुल गांधी ने, और इस पर एक्शन भी होगी। संजय शर्मा, इंडिया न्यूज, दिल्ली।